Gilman, Colorado is an abandoned mining ghost town and contaminated Superfund site you can see from Colorado Highway 24, 5 miles south of Minturn. Driving south on Highway 24 you will pass a most peculiar ghost town as you come to a long C-shaped curve along the side of Battle Mountain. It reveals a large mine built down the steep hillside, with several rows of modest, abandoned houses and buildings. The houses gradually fade from view, but at the end of the long turn, lies a road into town closed off by a large metal gate bearing a prominent sign warning that trespassers will be prosecuted. Those daring to disregard the sign will likely be shocked by what they would find beyond: homes filled with furniture and appliances, vehicles left behind in a garage, a bowling alley, a hospital with X-ray film images scattered about. The business office has documents left in the drawers of the desks, a chalkboard in the shaft house covered with the names of the employees who worked the mine's last shift. This is the abandoned zinc mining town of Gilman, Colorado.